now we're going to pin the sleeve tabs onto the sleeves. They have to go on the side, which goes obviously where the pleat goes away from the front, and I would put them right under the stitching line where you top stitched the cuff. So you're putting 2 pins in. Prepare your sleeves. First, put some gather stitches into the head of the sleeve. Again, foot width, and then next to that again. And I tend to go quite low down in the curve, because that way I don't need to use pins to hold these pleats in place later on. It's easier to work with. Now fold your sleeve over. We are going to close the sleeve only halfway down. You do that on the lining as well. So same on the sleeve lining, you just close it right at the top a little bit, and you can also see that I've gathered to that point there. Brace your stitches when you do that. Again, just to that point, and we are ready for the next step. And now you want to iron those seams apart.